January's cold with snow so white. February's short but feels just right. March brings wind and kites that fly. April's showers fall from the sky. May brings flowers, colors so bright. June is sunny, full of light. July has fireworks in the air. August is hot, beach fun everywhere. September brings the harvest cheer. October celebrates food we adore. November's leaves fall all around. December's magic and joy are found. May brings flowers, colors so bright.